dealer. Rawr.
It's a tiger.
今日はセントラルスタジオンからの動画開始なんですけど、これからマイケルのお母さんに会いに行くので、はい、ちょっと旅。はい、バディ。はい、最近寒くなったのでボンポステ買いました。あったかそう。はい、行きます。ガーデンウェイ空港まで行くやつですね、フリー峠。
エクスプレスライン。
エクスプレスライン、や。はい。あれによく乗ってましたね、私。
So this is where they arrive first.
Yeah.
They take the express line to Oslo.
Yeah. Espresso house.
Not espresso, it's espresso. Without the X.
Right. これがノルウェーのスタバみたいな。多分 it's more popular than Starbucks, right?
Oh yeah.
スターバックスより人気。
Starbucks is not that popular in Norway.
No.
Yeah, 18. From Halden. Yeah, it's this one. Yeah. It's almost all the way in the back, I believe.
親子エリア。
はい。
着いた。
So it's gonna take some time until we reach our destination, so I thought it was a good idea to show you guys the train and what it has to offer. So this is a standard train from the NSB company here in Norway. We're starting off at the NSB Comfort area, and it's kind of like more luxury kind of seats. It's also more pricey to be here, so let's go check out what's next. So this is the area where they are offering drinks and different kinds of snacks. Here's the coffee station place. So they take the credit card and cash as well. This is where we stay. Kodomo area. Reserved for families and
strollers.
Yeah.
Baby car.
Yeah. Baby car. Alright. I'll see you guys later, okay? So this is where the commoners sit, like the rest of the people. Normal tickets and yeah. That's the end. Alright, let's go back. Never tied on it.
眠たいね。
next stop, buddy. 次。約束。
着きました。
Hey!
Stop that nonsense.
Yes?
Well, I can very well get a patient, could I?
Whoa.
10代のマイケル。
We're working together.
早速ピジャマにお着替え。
When we arrived, my mom prepared his bed, and she had cars from Disney
Yeah.
On it, and he's like, "Cars, cars!"
Yeah. ね。
ね。
トラックのおもちゃなしではもうお出かけできないですね。
車。
いや、お気に入り。
Car. Oh, we need to take him to Legoland at some
Yeah,
point.
for sure. それも新しくもらったおもちゃですね。甘やかされてる。
You say to Daddy? Say
What's that?
congratulations. Daddy Day.
Daddy Day.
Yeah.
Hej, oj. Oj.
Vad gör där? Ja.
Do you have something for me?
Give Daddy that. Give him.
What you got?
Yeah.
In here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, it's for me.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Chocolate. And
A good one.
yeah.
Ja, det är en liten ting bara.
Flask.
Ja. Ja. Vi ska ut en tur med han så kan du ha kakao eller kaffe.
Oj.
Eller kiosk eller vad som helst. Nu har jag en särskild med det. Okej.
Ja.
Eller pölsa. Och en pölsa.
Ja. Ikke kakao på senga. Jeg tror det var kakao i den. Ja, men det var hyggelig. Hæ? Kom.
Daddy Day.
Thank you. Domo arigato.
Den bild man börjar känna det är klart du köpte så skadade det bara upp.
Var det bara camel eller?
Jag tror det. Ja, kakao. Det gör det. Du ska
Another car?
Ja, men det må ju Nina ha kontakt med den.
Hante.
Jag vet ju inte.
Så hvis du har et system rundt deg som nevner at det der er ikke greit, eller du må tenke litt på det, så ligger det bak i hodet uansett.
Säger hon.
What used to keep us back were just excuses made.
だいま帰宅しました。
What's that sound?
いや長旅でしたね。Did you have fun?
Yeah, it was very nice.
Yeah.
はい、楽しかった。
ね。
But it's good to be home.
Yeah.
Are you following me? Yes, I am unpacking.
Okay. はい。ということで荷物のお片付けをするのでここまでにします動画。はーい。
見てくれてありがとうございます。それではまたね。バイ。